Hello and welcome to my video. Today I would like to share 3 steps you can take to become more mindful in your creative life and as an artist. Do you sometimes look at all the amazing artwork out there and feel discouraged? A lot of people do. So you are not alone. I teach art besides being a full-time artist, and a lot of my students experience these feelings. But what can you do about it? I would like to offer up 3 steps that I wish someone had told me at the beginning of my art journey. First step is to get a sketchbook and actually use it. Don't focus on the outcome. Simply allow yourself to record your ideas and to enjoy the process. Second step is to keep it simple. Simply sit and look and study your subject in depth. And when you're ready, you can record 2 or 3 things that interest you, that resonates with you. Remember to record your observations in your sketchbook. It could be a mark or a color, it can be a shape or a line. You can also write down notes, but I encourage you to try and make some kind of rendering in your sketchbook, no matter how simple it may seem. Don't overthink things. If you see or feel something, respond and record it in your sketchbook. Remember, this is sketching, so no masterpiece is expected. What interested me today was the contrast of the last of the yellow leaves that were clinging to the tree branches and the slender dark tree trunks and the contrast in between the two. Step 3 is to relax and remember to take time out for yourself. This step is perhaps the most important step, because once you slow down and relax, your best ideas will naturally surface. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.